The 2016 Mopar 16 Ram Rebel. The Ram Rebel is built for folks who aren't satisfied with an average pickup. They're looking for something with extra style, substance, and performance. The Ram Rebel provides that, all while covered under a factory warranty. You'd be hard-pressed to find a more customized truck on the dealer showroom. That sounds great and all, but Chrysler's parts department, more commonly known as Mopar, has taken things further. It's called the Mopar 16 Ram Rebel, and it comes with several add-on accessories that further set it apart from other Ram Rebel pickups. In fact, Mopar is only building 500 examples in keeping with the unique nature of the truck. Now, this isn't the first time Mopar has done something of this nature. Starting back in 2010, the parts division created the Mopar 10 Dodge Challenger. There's also the Mopar 11 Charger, Mopar 12 Chrysler 300, Mopar 13 Dart, Mopar 14 Challenger, and Mopar 15 Charger RT. The new Ram Rebel has been a solid addition to the Ram lineup, providing customers with a truck that can deliver the added capability that their active lifestyles demand, said Mike Manley, head of Ram Brand, FCA, Global. The Mopar 16 content illustrates how customers can easily personalize a Ram truck with factory-backed accessories. Manley hits the nail on the head with that last statement. Ram and Mopar are trying to market the Mopar 16 Ram Rebel as something to make customers interested in buying a Ram truck, and then modifying it, with Mopar parts. The aftermarket industry makes big money selling parts and accessories for vehicles, so this is FCA's attempt at keeping that money in-house. While the additions to the truck add character and style, the changes are all cosmetic. Customers can, however, purchase parts like cold air intake and exhaust kits through Mopar. So without further ramblings, let's have a look at the Mopar 16 Ram Rebel. Continue reading to learn more about the 2016 Mopar 16 Ram Rebel. What makes the Mopar 16 Ram Rebel special? The Mopar 16 Ram Rebel is designed as a limited edition truck that shows Ram customers the level of customization possible through Mopar at their local dealership. Only 500 examples are being built. Due to its upgrades and limited availability, its price is $52,460. That's not cheap, but there's plenty to justify the added cost. The truck starts life as a 2016 Ram 1500 4x4 Rebel with the crew cab and 5.7-liter Hemi V8. Customers can choose between two color choices, the first being a two-tone scheme with flame red and brilliant black, or a solid scheme with just brilliant black. Mopar then adds an aluminum hood with dual faux air intakes and matte black stripes. Off-road fender flares give the truck a brawnier look while keeping mud and rocks from hitting the paint. A blue and black stripe with the Mopar logo runs down the side of the truck. The 17-inch wheels are treated to an all-black look. Underneath the truck, a black skid plate is added to protect the power steering box, taking the place of the Rebel's standard billet silver skid plate. Inside the cab is a serialized Mopar 16 logo on the glove box and a set of stainless steel door sill guards. The guards on the front doors feature the Ram logo. Of course, these add-ons are in addition to the already unique Ram Rebel. The Rebel sports a bespoke grille, wheel package, and smoked badges on the outside. 4 WD examples of the Rebel come with a full skid plate package, black side steps, a spay-on bed liner, and a tri-fold tonneau cover with the Ram logo. The 5.7-liter Hemi V8 is an option in normal Rebel pickups, but it comes standard with the Mopar 16 edition. The iconic V8 makes 395 horsepower and 410 pound-feet of torque. For customers who want more horsepower and sound, a cold air intake and cat-back exhaust system is available. Owners of the Mopar 16 Ram Rebel receive an owner's kit with Mopar 16 merchandise, a brochure, and a unique metal birth certificate that shows the truck specifications, date of manufacture, and its serial number. The Mopar 16 Rebel will arrive in pre-selected showrooms this summer. Ram 1500 Rebel. Read our full review on the Ram 1500 Rebel here.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.